भाइयों बहनों, cactiwithiva में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम जो प्लांट आपके सामने ले आए हैं ये एक सैकुलेंट की वैरायटी है। ये एक रेयर प्लांट है और इसका नाम है हावर्थिया ट्रुंकाटा। इसकी एक ये विशेषता है कि इसके जो ऊपर की साइड जेल दिख रहा है, ये वाइट जेल जिसे आप देख सकते हैं, ये जो जेल दिख रहा है, इसको आप अगर सनलाइट में देखेंगे तो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट जेल होता है। इससे लाइट ट्रांसप्लांट होती है। बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है देखने में। आप अगर इसको देखेंगे तो वाकई बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है। ये प्लांट साउथ अफ्रीका के वेस्टर्न प्रोविंस ऑफ केप टाउन में पाया जाता है। साउथ अफ्रीका के वेस्टर्न प्रोविंस में पाया जाता है।
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you one of the most rarest succulents of the world, which is HAWORTHIA truncata, which is found in South Africa in the western province of Cape Town. This is a species of HAWORTHIA, means it belongs to HAWORTHIA family, and as you can see, it is having some sort of gel over its leaf, and when you keep this in direct sunlight, this gel which is present at the top, it becomes transparent, which provides a beautiful, means it becomes so much beautiful and so much satisfying that you forget all of your stress and everything, and you just get trapped into its beauty. It needs a partial sunlight as all other succulents, but don't provide it direct sunlight, as if you provide it direct sunlight, then its leaves start to burn, means black spot will come, and then that beauty of the plant goes. So avoid it keeping in sunlight. Keep it in partial sunlight, means in green shade you can keep, and now we are not having such big houses, so in apartment you can keep, in balcony you can keep, and provide it with a little water, means do not overwater it. Please do not overwater it, or it will get rotten, means it will start to get rot from its leaves, and then whole plant will die. So avoid overwatering of this plant. So I hope this is useful to all of you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.